Top 10 Most Interesting Parrots. Parrots are fascinating and intelligent birds known for their vibrant colors, vocal abilities, and playful nature. While it's subjective to determine the most interesting parrots, here is a list of 10 parrot species that are renowned for their unique characteristics, behavior, or appearance. African Grey Parrot, Psittacus erythicus. African Grey Parrots are highly intelligent and renowned for their exceptional mimicry skills. They are known for their ability to mimic human speech and can learn an extensive vocabulary. Hyacinth Macaw, Anodorhynchus hyacinthinus. Hyacinth macaws are the largest species of parrots, known for their stunning blue plumage and impressive wingspan. They are also critically endangered, making them a subject of conservation efforts. Eclectus Parrot, Eclectus roratus. Eclectus parrots are sexually dimorphic, with males and females displaying completely different coloration. Males are bright green, while females are predominantly red and purple. They are known for their calm and gentle demeanor. Kea, Nestor notabilis. Keas are native to New Zealand and are renowned for their mischievous and playful nature. They are highly curious and have been observed engaging in problem-solving behaviors. Monk parakeet, Myaopsida monicus. Monk parakeets are social parrots known for their ability to build large communal nests. They are native to South America but have established feral populations in various parts of the world, including the United States. Palm cockatoo, Probosciger aterimus. Palm cockatoos are distinctive for their large size, black plumage, and impressive crests. They are known for their unique drumming behavior, where they use sticks or seed pods to create rhythmic beats. Sun conure, Aratinga solstitialis. Sun conures are vibrant and colorful parrots native to South America. They are known for their bright yellow, orange, and red plumage, making them visually stunning birds. Kakapo, Strigops habratilla. Kakapos are flightless parrots native to New Zealand. They are nocturnal and critically endangered, with only a few dozen individuals remaining. They have a distinctive owl-like appearance and are known for their booming call. Moluccan cockatoo, Cockatua molescensis. Moluccan cockatoos are large, white parrots with a magnificent crest. They are highly social and known for their playful and affectionate behavior. Scarlet macaw, Ara macaw. Scarlet macaws are brilliantly colored parrots with a combination of red, blue, and yellow plumage. They are native to Central and South America and are highly sought after for their striking appearance. These are just a few examples of the many fascinating parrot species found worldwide. Each parrot species has its own unique characteristics and charm, making them a delight to observe and learn about. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more miraculous parrots.